Good morning students. Last class we discussed LCM, HCF and relation between LCM and HCF. Today we'll discuss some working problems based on LCM and HCF. Okay, in that determine the smallest 3-digit number is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Here given 3 numbers. What are the numbers? Given numbers 6, 8, 12. Which number is divisible by these number? Which number is divisible by 3's number? Exactly, for example, in 6 table and 8 table and 12 table, is which number is common? For example, 24 we can take, yes, 6 4 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, 12 2 ja 24. Means how to find 24 is the correct answer? Then we have to use LCM. We have to use LCM. LCM of 6, 8 and 12. First of all, to find 6, 8 and 12 LCM value, then 6, 8, 12. You can use any method, but division method is taking very less time. To 3 jar, to 4 jar, to 6 jar, to 2 jar, to 3 jar. Yet 3 not possible, that's why write like that only, don't do division. Next 3 1 jar, 3 2 1. Here only 1 is there, only 1 2 is there, that's why no need to take again. Then find out LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Then we'll get 2 2 jar 4, 4 3 jar 12, 24. 24 is the LCM. But what is the problem? Determine the smallest 3-digit number. Determine the smallest 3-digit number. We want smallest 3-digit number. Here 24 is the 2-digit number only. 24 is the 2-digit number only. But we have to find smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number means we multiply 24 with like 24 table. When we'll get 3-digit number, that is the answer. Means 24, just 24, 2 jar 48. Then 24, 3 jar 72. And 24, 4 jar 96. And 24 5 jar, yes, 120. Okay, 24 5 jar 120. In case 24 6 jar, how much? 144 will be. Then 144 also 3-digit number. Then 144 also 3-digit number. But we want the smallest 3-digit number. In that, the smallest 3-digit number is 120. Remaining numbers also is there. But we want the smallest 3-digit number. Means 3-digit numbers on that again smallest number, which is 120 is the value. Okay. Then 120 is the smallest 3-digit number is divisible by 6, 8, 12. 6, 8, 12. Means first of all you have to find out the LCM value of the given numbers. Then depend upon the digits. The 2 digits means nothing problem. Then 3 digits and 4 digits also should multiply the LCM value. No need to multiply each and every number. If you multiply directly LCM, then we will get the answer. This is the problem. Then once again repeat once again. Given number 6 and 8 and 12. Then for what is the smallest 3-digit number? She is exactly divisible by these 3 numbers. Means first of all should find out LCM. After the LCM value resultant, then should multiply that particular numbers. Means take that common multiples of this number. When you will get the 3-digit number, that is the answer. Okay. Next, one more problem we have to check. Same problem. Determine the greatest three-digit number. The greatest three-digit number have to find, divisible by 8, 10 and 12. 8, 10 and 12. Now, what are the given numbers? One more example. 8, 10 and 12. Same, these numbers, which number is divisible by these three numbers? Then but greatest three-digit number want to find. Greatest three-digit number. First of all, to find LCM. LCM of 8, 10, 12 means 8, 10, 12. 2 4 jar, 2 5 jar, 2 6 jar. Again 2 2 jar, 2 5 jar, 2 3 jar. Okay, all are different values. That's why no need to do it the process. No need to continue. See here 2 5 3. There is no common factors in that. Then directly should multiply. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Means 2 2 jar 4. See now 5 2 jar 10. Okay, 5 2 jar 10, leave it. 10 3 jar 30, 33 jar 32 jar 60, 62 jar 120. In multiplication 2 and 5 combination is there. Not only 2 and 5 combination, any number with even number, then easily to get the answer. Here 5 2 jar 10, 10 2 jar 20, 22 jar 40, 43 jar 120, like that. Okay, now want to take what is that greatest three-digit number want. Greatest three-digit number means which number should multiply 120 with 120 is the three-digit number. 120 is the three-digit number, but greatest three-digit number should want. Okay, 120 2 jar 240, 120 3 jar 360, 120 4 jar 480. Okay, like that up to have to write 120 5 jar 600, 120 6 jar 720, 120 8 jar 960, then 129 jar 1080. This is the correct answer. The greatest three-digit number is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. These all numbers is divisible by 8 and 8, 10, 12, but in the greatest three-digit number, especially 960 is the answer. Okay, therefore required number is equal to is equal to 960. Therefore the required number is equal to 960. Okay, 960 is the correct answer. Is the three-digit number, that too greatest three-digit number. After 960, 1080 will come. 1080 is the greater number of 960, but 4-digit number. That's why 960 is the correct answer. Now we'll just check one HCF problem. The length, breadth, height of room. Length how much? Length is equal to 825 centimeter. Next, breadth equal to 675 centimeter. 675 centimeter. Height equal to, these are measurements of room, 450 centimeter. To require what is that? Longest tape. Therefore, required length of longest tape. In the problem we are having longest tape. Longest tape means should find HCF. Okay, how to find HCF? We have two methods, three methods as well. Is there listed method and prime factorization method? Then prime factorization method I have to find out 825. See, with first 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, what is the remainder? 2, 22, means 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Again is not possible with 3, why? Because 2 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 14, not possible. Then we will go to 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, again 5 into 11. Then the process will end. Why? Because 11 is the prime number. Next 675. 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 5 18. Is possible with 3. 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. Again 3 7s are 3 5s are 3 25s are 5 5s are. Okay. Next 450. 3 150s are 3 50s are 2 25s are and 5 5s are. Okay. These are the prime factorization method. Then we have to find. Then 825 is equal to, what are the values? 3 into 5 into 5 into 11, 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. Next 675 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Next 450 is equal to 3 into 3, 2 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 5. Then what are the common values? What are the common values in that? 3 3 3 is there, and 5 5 5 5 5. Okay. Common is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Then HCF is equal to how much? 75. HCF is equal to 75. Then what is that problem? Then required length of tape. Required length of tape is equal to, therefore required length of tape equal to 75 centimeter. Means if you have 75 centimeter tape, is easily measure each and every length, means measurement, length, breadth, height. Okay, 75. If you have 75 meters 75 centimeters tape, then we can measure 3 measurements. This is in the problem we have to find longest, means HCF. In problem the least value or divisible value means you have to find out LCM. This is the applications of LCM and HCF. Next class will continue remaining topics. Okay students, thank you.